Wait. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm Theo. Now, I told you last week that we shall have a new co-host, and that is Sam. Sorry, I was about to say, stay locked and see you there.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Love of Theo channel. I'm Theo. Today I'm introducing my co-host, who is Sanita. How are you, Sanita?
Fine, thank you.
Welcome to the Love of Theo channel.
Thank you so much for having me here.
Yes. Now, what we have been doing, we have been having street interviews, we have been motivational talks, and so many others. So this being 2023, I'm inviting in Sanita here. Sanita, what are we going to be discussing?
We'll be discussing about life in general, based on what we've been seeing on our society. Topics about
love,
mental health,
relationships,
parenting,
and marriages.
all are welcome. Most of the time, we're going to be opposing each other. Tutakuwa hapa tunapigana.
Thank you so much. We hope you are going to enjoy all our conversations and our discussions together.
And I hope you're going to be practical enough to let people be motivated,
Educated,
inspired, and give hope
to those ones who have lost hope already in marriages. Karibuni, 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 karibuni.
Yes!
Jesus Christ.